Horticultural crops and its divisions. Horticultural crops include fruits, vegetables, flowers, plantation crops, spices, condiments, medicinal and aromatic crops, etc. In addition to these, horticulture also deals with raising of trees for shade, ornamental, and avenue purposes. Planning and raising of ornamental gardens, parks, and raising of seed and planting material. Further, horticulture also deals with the utilization of horticultural products and improvement of horticultural crops. Hence, based upon the crops dealt and also their purpose and utilization, the branch of horticulture is subdivided into the following divisions for convenience. Pomology. Pomology is study or cultivation of fruit crops. Example, mango, sapota, guava, grape, banana, etc. A fruit is a developed and matured ovary with or without accessory parts and which is generally eaten as raw. Olericulture. Olericulture literally means path cultivation. In the present days, it is broadly used to indicate the cultivation of vegetables. So, olericulture is the cultivation of vegetables. Example, brinjal, lady's finger, tomato, pumpkin, etc. A vegetable is any part of the herbaceous plant that is generally used after cooking as a principal part of the meal. Floriculture. Floriculture means study of flower crops. In this, there are again two subdivisions. Commercial floriculture deals with the cultivation of flower grown on commercial scale for profit, that is income. Example, rose, jasmine, carnation, aster, and marigold, etc. Second one is ornamental floriculture. It deals with the raising of flower crops for ornamental, pleasure, and fashion purposes. Example, dahlia, zinnia, cosmos, hibiscus, balsam, nerium, etc. Arboriculture. This branch deals with the raising of perennial trees meant for shade, avenue, or ornamental purposes. Example, polyalthia, spartia, cassia, gulmohar, etc. Plantation crops are those crops which are cultivated in an extensive scale in large continuous areas owned and managed by an individual or a company and whose produce is utilized only after processing. Example, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, cocoa, etc. Spices and condiments. This branch deals with the cultivation of crops whose produce is used mainly for seasoning and flavoring dishes. Spices are those plants that products of which are made use as a food adjacent and to add aroma and flavor. Example, pepper, cardamom, etc. Condiments are those plants and the products of which are made use as food adjacents to add taste only. Example, turmeric, ginger, red chilies, onion, garlic, etc. Both spices and condiments contain essential oils which provide aroma, flavor, and taste, and they are of little nutritive value. Medicinal and aromatic plants. It deals with the cultivation of medicinal plants which provide drugs and aromatic crops which yields aromatic oils, that is the essential oils. Medicinal plants are those plants which are rich in secondary metabolites and are potential sources of drugs. The secondary metabolites include alkaloids, glycosides, coumarins, flavonoids, steroids, etc. Example of these plants: periwinkle, opium, menthi, chingona, etc. Aromatic plants are those plants which possesses essential oils in them. The essential oils are the odoriferous steam volatile constituents of aromatic plants. Example, lemongrass, citronella, palmarosa, etc. Have a good day. Thank you.